before we place an order, we had 182 followers. You can see we had 182 followers before we place an order, right? So all we need to do is to just leave Facebook, right, and come back and reflect to see if these followers is going to come. So all we need to do, enter Facebook again right here and come right here and enter the profile again, and right here you can see we currently have 290 followers, which means that these followers has already reflected easy peasy. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how businesses boost their Facebook followers in order to look big very fast. So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website called growbetter.net. As you can see on the screen right here, all you need to do is to come to this website, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, and your business is going to look big overnight. So all we need to do firstly is to create an account. How do we create an account? All we need to do is to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? You can see the sign up right here. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place where you are going to create a username. While creating your username, write it together, and right here put your email, and right here create a password, and confirm your password right here. And the next thing you need to do is to come to this I am human right here. Can you see this I am human right here? Tap on it, and once you tap it on it, will allow it to load, and it's going to load and tick. And once it tick, come and click on the sign up right here. You can see the sign up right here. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, your account is created. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to create an account in this platform. So due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do is to go and log into my account and continue to show you guys how you can actually grow your business Facebook account very fast. So let's go. So right now I'm logging. As you can see right here, when you create your account and you log in, this is exactly how it's supposed to be like. So the first thing we need to do is to come to this category, and you see this category right here. Tap on it, and right here you can see Instagram follower, TikTok follower. These are other services you can actually get in this platform, but on this video we are going to be going for Facebook followers. So let's go. So what we need to do is to go and scroll and look for Facebook page followers, and right here you can see the Facebook page followers. Can you see Facebook page followers? So all you need to do is to tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it and select any preferable service you want. I like using the first one, right? So the next thing is to come to the description, right? The description stated that minimum you can order is 100 and max you can order is 1 million. So you can actually get 1 million followers in this platform. They say the link type is your page link or your profile link. They say the start time, this service starts instantly, but if the density increases, the start time may vary from 0 to 2 hours. Right, they say the service start immediately you place it, and if it delays, this will not reach up to 2 hours, it will start coming in. And right here they say the refill is 30 days. They also said when the service is busy, the speed of starting the process varies. They also said do not place a second order on the same link before your order is completed in the system. So when you place an order, exercise patience, your order is going to deliver. If you place another order on that same link, you are going to contradict both of them, and none of them is going to work. So it's important when you place an order, exercise patience is going to come. Right, so the next thing you need to do is to come to this the road link and start your profile link. If you don't know how to copy your profile link, let me show you guys how to do it. So let's go to Facebook. So right here I'm on Facebook, so let's use this particular page right here. All we need to do is to enter inside the profile, and once you enter inside the profile, right, you can see this particular page has 182 followers. Just mark it. Is going to increase when we finish this. So for you to copy your link, come to these 3 dots right here. You can see these 3 dots right here. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll down, and you can see this your link, your page link right here. Can you see this your page link right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, all you need to do is for you to come right here, the road link, and paste your link, and come to this quantity and put the amount of followers you want. In this video I'm going to be putting 100 followers. So what we need to do next is to click on this submit right here, and our order will be taken. So I don't need to tap on it, and right here they say your order received, right? As you can see, your order received. So all we need to do right now is for us to wait, and these followers will start coming into our account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. How do you fund account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this 3 line up here. Can you see this 3 line up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this your left hand side. You can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, all you need to do basically is for you to come to this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and you will see Quora Pay and you see manual. Right, these are the 2 payment options in this platform. Right, I'm going to teach you guys how to use both of them. So let's start with Quora Pay. Select Quora Pay and put the amount you want to add, and come to this pay right here and tap on it. And once you tap on it, Quora Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card, or you want to pay with that bank transfer, or you want to pay with bank? If you want to pay with debit card, select debit card, put your card details, and click on pay, and your payment is going to be reflected. And if you want to pay with bank transfer, select bank transfer, and read this instruction right here, and click on I understand the instruction, and click on this continue right here, and Quora Pay is going to provide account number. All you need to do is to make payment to this account number right here. And when you make payment to the account number, right, you don't need to do anything. It will just rotate and it will reflect automatically, right? Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let me show you guys how to use manual. All you need to do is to go back and come and select manual. Once you select manual, read the instruction right here. They say, kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the bank, which is First Bank, and you can see the beneficiary. They say, do not send below 1,000 naira because it won't be refunded. They say, provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. They say, click on this link to get directed to our admin contact us. So it's either you click on this contact us or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. You can see this WhatsApp icon right here. And once you click on the WhatsApp icon, it will take you to the WhatsApp number. Send them your proof of payment and your Growbeta username, and they are going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to actually fund the account in this platform. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually go back to Facebook to check if this followers has reflected, right? So you remember before we place another, we had 182 followers. You can see we had 182 followers before we place another, right? So all we need to do is to just leave Facebook, right, and come back and reflect to see if these followers is going to come. So all we need to do, enter Facebook again right here and come right here and enter the profile again, and right here you can see we currently have 290 followers, which means that these followers has already reflected. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to boost your followers very fast in 2026, right? So all you need to do is for you to come to this platform, create an account, do exactly the same thing I just did, and you'll be able to boost your followers very fast on Facebook, right? So thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.